Hello everyone. Recently I found the idea of making the table decoration or making the cake decoration by using the metal hook or hula hook. It's very popular, very hot. After I've referenced a lot of ideas from the Pinterest or other YouTube tutorial, I found there are some problems such as how to make a sturdy stand to support the large round hook, and all of the round hooks are the whole round hook is not convenient for the wedding decorator to deliver or to store this material. So I want to catch the train, but just follow what everyone do is not me. So after consider, so I asked the factory to the customize a hook for me, uh, and assemble hook for me. So this comes with this material. Now I will show you how to install it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, the materials is acrylic, so it's not metal material or plastic material. The material will be much more better than plastic and metal. I'm not sure metal, but I'm sure better than the plastic hula hoop. Of course, the prices are so different. So, the large round hole, I separate it in 3 parts. And each part, okay, look at this. This is hand stepping. So these holes are hand stepping. So we can use the acrylic screw to connect them together. I will show you how. Very simple. Okay, and the next piece, the procedure are the same. This is a long and very boring tutorial, but very simple, but very useful, because I want to show you every step. very simple, the idea. Okay, so we almost complete with the round hook. And then let's go to the stand. Look at this part. Okay, the hook was completed. This hook is 50 cm in diameter. Let's go to the stand. Just remove the protection paper. Okay. Look at this. The quantity of the acrylic is very good, very transparent. And the acrylic, the material by using acrylic will be much more expensive than plastic or metal. But the effect will be quite different. I will show you on other tutorial. But there's a shortage about using the acrylic. This will be a little more fragile than the metal. So when you install it or decorate with the flower on it, I think will be a little more careful compared with the metal. Okay, then let's install the stand. Okay, completed. Let's check our hook stand. Look at this. Compare with the hook stand you can find on the market. You're now getting a transparent hook. This is unique item because I design and customize with the factory. Okay. The difference is not just the materials. The effect after you decorate with the flower or a special light, after you put on the light, the effect will be very beautiful and much more beautiful by using other material. Compared with other material. I will show you on my other tutorial. So please kindly keep eyes on my channel. And the story about making this hook stand, when I design and make with the factory, we have two solutions. One is this is not the perfect one. Look at this, there is a connector to connect two parts of the hook. This is one of the solution, one of the idea. The other idea is we need to make a thicker acrylic, so we can separate it in the middle of the hook and make the screw from the inner to the outer. The come out will be much more pretty than this one, but considering the label free, in order to cut costs, I will use this one. I select this idea because the price are so different. But after when a lot of you would like to order this acrylic hook, when I correct a lot of order, I can ask the factory to use the second idea and keep the price with these ideas. That will be better. So if any of you interested to buy the hook, please send me message. You can find my FB page link on the information field below this video. Tell me how many you want. After I correct a number of the order, so I have the power to talk with the factory about the price, so I can ask a better price for you. Okay, now this is today's tutorial. On the following tutorial, I will show you my idea about decorating this hook with my other material. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.